Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Mr. Book and Me. Today, we're gonna have so much fun building a super rainbow house.
Hi! It's a place to live, right? Learn all about me.
Yes, we are, little house. Are you ready for your foundation?
Oh, I'm ready. This is the strong base that holds me up.
This house needs 2 steps. Draw 2 big rectangles on top of the foundation for the walls.
They keep everything inside safe.
Draw a big triangle on top of the walls for the roof.
Oh, I love having a colorful roof.
Draw a rectangle in the middle of the house for the door.
Perfect. Let people come in.
Add a little circle for the doorknob. Draw 2 squares on either side of the door for the windows.
Absolutely. I need to see outside.
Draw some patterns to the roof.
Aha!
Add a chimney on the top of the roof.
Smoke from yummy cookies and warm fires. Now, let's make the scene even brighter by adding a smiley sun.
Let's add a tree in the background.
Trees give us fresh air and make the yard look beautiful.
Draw some leaves and flowers. Draw the lines darker to make the rainbow house stand out.
Aha!
Now, get ready for the fun part. Color time!
Aha! Color the roof first.
Pink. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Violet. Green. Blue. Blue and indigo color windows. Dark blue doors. Soft pink wall. Dark pink foundation. Green tree. Wow! There you have it, everyone. We built a magnificent rainbow house together.
Thanks for building me. Now I am ready to welcome all.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun art adventures. See you next time!